locusts, or cicadas. There's a couple there, a whole bunch of them there, one down there, one right there. The whole tree's loaded up there. About 5 or 6 of them up there on top. Another 2 there. Got a couple down underneath here. Couple on the grapevine. Another one on the grapevine. You can hear them. Those aren't frogs. Well, there are some frogs there, but the cicadas are louder than they are. Up by the slide shed, there's one down there. There's a couple there. There's one there. There's a couple in there. A bunch of wasps that I just stirred up because I sprayed their nest. They got no place to go. If somebody wanted to know about cicadas, there's a few of them around here.